In this episode of Poster School, Zachary will talk about collecting and preserving Minecraft posters. These Minecraft posters come rolled from the printer, but if you want them to be displayable, you have to flatten them out, and that's where linen backing comes in. Let's hear what Zachary knows about these posters.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Poster School.
This is a Minecraft poster that was made in 2019 after the aquatic update came out. Because it doesn't have pillagers or ravengers, those are next. And the latest mobs on this are the phantoms, the drowns, the turtles, and other things. So this is the Ender Dragon, one of the most famous bosses in Minecraft.
This?
Yeah. And this is the Enderman. You can see it in your overworld, and which is your regular world where you spawn, and this is more popular in the Ender. It's like the main popularity of the Ender. And this is a mushroom. Very rare. Except now they've added a different type of mushroom. A cow, a mushroom, and then like a mushroom. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Is it mushroom or mushroom?
This is a mushroom, and there's a different kind that I kind of forgot the name of. So if a cow gets struck by lightning, he turns into that. And if this gets struck by lightning, he turns into a brown version of that. And then this is the newest mob in this whole poster. It's a panda. And there's very rare to see a brown striped panda instead. And this is a cat. And you can now find these in villages a lot. And this is, as you all know, this is a villager. Except this doesn't match the 1.14 update on every edition except Java. And this is a phantom, added in 1.13. If you, in survival mode, if you don't sleep for 3 nights, then it shows up and attacks you. And this is a drown. It's like a water zombie, and it does a lot of damage because it can throw tridents at you, and those are the most powerful weapon in Minecraft, unless you enchant your sword with sharpness 5. And this is a zombie, and as the zombie stays in water for a long time, it turns into a drown. This is a guardian, and there's the first structure in the ocean that they ever added was a ocean monument, and the guardian like kind of guards it, you could say. And it's like the first water creature. And there's also the elder guardian, but it's not shown on this poster.
And you're saying this is a poster that promoted an update?
This poster kind of shows the evolution of each mob. Like, it shows all the mobs that they've added since the beginning of Minecraft. It has Steve, and then it went into Alex, and then went into...
Where's Alex?
This is Alex, and Alex is also down here, and here, with armor on here. Mm-hmm. And then they added cows, pigs, zombies, creepers, skeletons, sheep. There's a sheep, but it's sheared. And then I think they added llamas, horses, rabbits, cats. They added more mobs like witches and spiders. I might not be saying this in order. And they added a bunch of mobs, and then at the aquatic update, they added more mobs like dolphins, salmon, cod, phantoms, drowns. They added a lot more mobs in the aquatic update. And then they don't show 1.14 here, so this is a 2019 poster. So yeah. And we have another poster.
Okay, I'm gonna try to linen back this. You take that one.
Here's another one, Zachary. This is cool.
Let's watch my father linen back this poster.
Right you are, Zachary, but first I have to mix the wheat paste. The wheat paste is actually wheat powder that we mix with water, and we use this paste to mount the poster to the acid-free paper. It's important that this wheat paste be mixed very well so that there are no lumps in it. We even put it through a screen to make sure all the lumps come out and that it's very, very smooth. Then I apply this wheat paste to the acid-free paper. It has to be spread very evenly, and I have to make sure that there are no dry areas, or else that will cause air bubbles. Then I have to lift the screen onto the table, and it's pretty heavy. Gotta make sure the paper is all stretched out so that there are no creases in it. And then I roll it out to flatten and get rid of all the air pockets in the paper and make it good and flat before I put down the poster. Now I'm seeing if the poster fits. It does. I can see that I can fit it in this spot, so I turn it upside down and I get it wet. Getting it wet will help it flatten out and will stop it from curling. There, now it's not curling anymore. So now I'm going to apply the wheat paste. The wheat paste is on the roller, and it's a thin layer. Just to get it wet, I'm going to put a second thicker layer on next. I let it absorb for a few seconds. And now I put down the extra heavy-duty glue, which is wheat paste mixed with PVA solution. And then I use the roller to spread it out to make sure it covers the poster completely. And as I do that, the poster actually gets bigger because it expands. The wheat paste fills in the pores of the paper and the paper expands. I'm letting that happen before I flip the poster over. And now I'm flipping the poster over. It's not easy to do that when it's wet. I sprayed with water to help it absorb and expand even more. And then I take a roller and I push out the excess air pockets and the excess wheat paste to make sure it lies very flat and tight on the acid-free paper. And now I roll out the edges to get rid of all the paste that's built up on the edges. And the next thing I have to do is get a sponge or two sponges with water on them to clean off the face of the poster and get rid of all that extra wheat paste that's there. It's very important to clean it off thoroughly. It's a glossy poster, and if I don't clean it off, it won't look good when it's done. Always good to clean up after yourself when you're done. This Minecraft poster is looking really good. The more I wipe it, the cleaner it gets. And there you have it. A few days have passed and I've cut the poster down, and now I'm trimming it down and it's finished.
So this is a big Minecraft poster. It's a Mojang promotion poster. As you can see, it has the creeper on it, which is a very iconic symbol of Minecraft. Minecraft poster from about 1.11. Before the aquatic update. So as you can see, the wood and the cobblestone texture is a little different. And the lava is different. This was the Pocket Edition version for a long time. On the computer, it was the regular lava texture. After 1.14, Pocket Edition also got the similar lava texture and changed from this.
And who's this character again?
This is the creeper. And they're really annoying in Minecraft. They can blow up your house, so make sure you fight them off.
And now I'm trimming down the other Minecraft poster, which you will hear Zachary talk about shortly.
Nice job, Dad! This is the iron golem. They used to be very rare in villages because villages used to be less advanced. But since the pillager update, they are in every single village that is not abandoned in Minecraft to protect the village from pillagers and ravengers, even though they get killed really easily. The iron golems. And sometimes you can protect villages from raids if there's a pillager outpost nearby from the village. And I like protecting villages from raids, or I like raiding villages.
Be watching for part 2 of this Minecraft poster series, in which you'll see us linen back 2 more Minecraft posters.
This brings us to the end of Poster School. See you next time, and make sure to like and subscribe for more. Bye!